Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on using CREDO Reference. If you are at the beginning of your research project and you need some basic background knowledge or you need some inspiration to pick a topic, CREDO is the perfect place to start. Think of it as the scholarly version of Wikipedia. It is full of trusted encyclopedias and dictionaries, and it can give you a solid foundation before diving into academic journals. So to get to CREDO, you're going to start at the Charles H. Trout Library homepage, and you're going to scroll down until you find the button for the A to Z database list, which is right here. And from there, you're going to navigate to C in the alphabetized list and scroll down until you see CREDO Reference. So off-campus users we'll need a username and password to access CREDO. On-campus users, you're going to be automatically logged in. And if you need to find those database passwords, go to the video linked in the description to get a step-by-step guide on how to find those passwords. So here is the CREDO homepage. And right away, you can see that there are topics listed in the middle of the page. These are just suggested topics. You can use them to run a search on these topics and then maybe get some inspiration to try to find a topic for your assignment. But if you already know what your topic is, you can go ahead and type it into the search box at the top of the page. So we're going to do a sample search on wind power, and we're going to type in wind power and hit enter or click on the spyglass, and our page is going to refresh with our search results. So you'll see your search results in the middle of the page here, and we will get to those in a second because first I want to draw your attention to the mind map. So the mind map is a really great feature of this database, and it allows you to visually connect your topic to other keywords and concepts related to your topic. So wind power is the center because that's the topic that we typed in the search box. And then on different nodes, we see other related topics like renewable energy, wind farm, windmill, etc. So if you click on these, it will run a search on those topics. So it's a great way to either narrow down your topic or find a fresh angle on your research. So let's get back to these search results. So a really great feature of this database is that it has filters. So just like when you're doing online shopping and you filter your search results, you can filter your search results in CREDO. So look for the filters button in the top left, and then you get all these options for filtering your search results by date, by content type, by language. The one that I like is length. So under length, you get 3 options: short, medium, and long. Short would be like a dictionary entry. If you needed a quick definition, short would be a good option. And then medium and long would give you longer entries, so these would be useful if you need more in-depth information on your topic. So you would select one or multiple of these, and you would click Update Results. And then your result list would refresh with just those a length of articles. And you can see how long an article is by looking near the title of the article. It will tell you how many words each article is. So when you find an article that you are interested in, that you would like to read, you simply click on the title. So the titles are linked. You click on the title and the page will refresh, and you'll see the entry. So this is the full text of the article here in the middle of the page. And then if you look over here on the top right, you'll see some options. So we've got an option to save. So you can save these articles. The only thing is that you need to create an account first. So you would create an account, it's free, and then you can save the articles within the database. The other option to save these articles is to hit the share button. So share gives you a URL, a direct URL to this article. And so you would copy that, and then you could paste it into a document or an email and save it that way. And then if you need to, when you're ready to do your bibliography or your works cited list, you would click Cite, and it will generate a citation for this article. And you would select the citation style that you're using. So if it's MLA or APA, you would select that, and then it will give you the citation in that format. You would hit copy, and it will copy to your clipboard, and then you're ready to paste it into your works cited list or your bibliography. Do double check them though, because those citations are written by computers. They can have errors. So that's about it. I hope that this video inspires you to give CREDO a try for yourself. And as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to the library staff at the Charles H. Trout Library. Thank you for watching.